What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Monopoly Go code quickly and easily. Plus, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to actually grab a Monopoly Go code for yourself. So don't miss out. So the first thing we'll do is tap into our browser and then we'll type in monopolygo.com. Next, we'll tap on this top link. And then we're going to log in. Make sure to use the same information as you do on your Monopoly Go app to log in here. I'm going to sign in with my Facebook. After you've signed in, you'll tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the top right corner. Next, you'll tap on Reward Codes. You can scroll down a bit, and this is where you will enter your code. Your code will be alphanumerical. It'll be letters and numbers. You're going to enter this code here where it says Enter Code. After you've put in your code, you'll tap on Go. Congratulations, your rewards are ready to be claimed in the game. If you tap on Back to Game, it'll automatically sign you into your Monopoly Go app. It'll pull you to a congratulations screen, and now you can tap on Collect so you can collect your token. It gives you an option to equip. I'll go ahead and tap on Equip. With this token, I've completed a shelf. And I also got a couple of dice. Here you can see my token has changed and I've collected those rewards. Now if you're wondering how to actually get a code, here's the scoop. Right now, Monopoly Go has released an exclusive code in the physical Monopoly Go board game. So far, that's the only way to get a code right now. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out the description below for my affiliate link if you want to grab your very own board game and start redeeming your codes. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you redeem your reward code quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.